Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today I'll be discussing about maceration technique in plant extraction. So without any further delay, let's begin the discussion. So welcome to our tutorial on maceration, a simple yet powerful technique for extracting beneficial compounds from plants. मैसरेशन टेक्निक में बेसिकली होता क्या है वी सोक प्लांट मटेरियल्स इन अ सॉल्वेंट टू एक्सट्रैक्ट इट्स एक्टिव कंपाउंड्स without the need for heat. So, so what is maceration? Maceration is the process of soaking plant material in a solvent to soften it and then release its active compounds. Basically, it's a gentle extraction method which preserves the natural properties of the plant material, making it ideal for herbal remedies and natural products. Why choose maceration? Maceration एक accessible and cost effective method है which requires minimal equipment and expertise. Unlike other extraction methods, maceration does not involve heat, which helps in preserving heat sensitive compounds. So, what are the essential maceration tools? To perform maceration, you'll need fresh or dried plant material. Always ensure to use high quality organic plant material for the best results. You can extract either herbs, flowers, roots, depending on your desired results. Next, you need a suitable solvent such as water, ethanol, or oil. Last but not the least, you need a container. Use always a high quality food grade glass container with a lid and a strainer and a cheesecloth to extract your active compounds. Now let's discuss the step by step maceration process. First, preparation of plant material. Clean and chop fresh plants or grind dried plants to increase surface area for better extraction. Next, solvent selection. Always choose a solvent based on the type of compounds you want to extract. You can use water, ethanol, or oil depending on your desired results. Next, we will place the plant material in a container and cover it with the solvent. Now, seal the container with the lid and let it sit for a specified period. After maceration process, we'll strain the liquid extract using strainer or cheesecloth and then store the extract in dark cool place in a tightly sealed container. Applications of maceration. Maceration technique is widely used for preparing herbal remedies, cosmetic formulation, culinary applications. So it can be used to create herbal tinctures, tonics, natural remedies. In case of cosmetics, it is used to extract oils, hydrosols, other plant based ingredients for use of natural cosmetic products like cream, serums, etc. In case of culinary applications, it is used to infuse oils, vinegars with flavors and aromas of herbs, spices, and other plant materials, thus embracing the taste, enhancing the taste and nutritional profile of culinary creations. Benefits and limitations of maceration. So, benefit क्या है? It's cost effective, accessible method है, versatile applications है herbal, cosmetics and culinary preparations में. What are the limitations? Extraction time बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. Then risk of microbial growth or spoilage is high. Also, potency is lower in case of maceration when compared to other advanced techniques. What are the optimization tips? Always use high quality fresh plant material. Then solvent to plant ratio भी आपको proper लेना चाहिए. Maceration process होने के बाद you should always store your extract in a cool and dark place to maintain the potency and prevent. So let's revise the steps of maceration. First step is herb selection. Always carefully choose the plant material based on your desired extract and consider factors such as plant blood, harvesting time, and quality. Second, solvent preparation. Appropriate solvent prepare करना है. Always ensure it is clean and of correct type and concentration for target compounds. आपका जो भी प्रोडक्ट होगा, जो भी प्लांट मटेरियल होगा, उससे आपका सॉल्वेंट प्रॉपरली कॉन्सेंट्रेट टारगेट कर पाए. नेक्स्ट, मैसरेशन प्रोसेस. ऑलवेज प्लेस द प्लांट मटेरियल इन द सॉल्वेंट एंड इंश्योर कंप्लीट सबमर्शन. आपका जो प्लांट मटेरियल होगा, चाहे वो रूट हुई या फिर प्लांट का कोई भी पार्ट है, वो कंप्लीटली सबमर्ज होना चाहिए आपके सॉल्वेंट में. देन अलाउ द मैसरेशन टू अकर फॉर अ स्पेसिफिक ड्यूरेशन. लास्ट, filtration and storage. After maceration process, you have to strain the mixture to separate plant material from the extract and then store it in a cool dark place for optimal shelf life. मैसरेशन एक वर्सेटाइल टेक्निक है जो कि सर्वरल फॉर्मुलेशंस को प्रिपेयर करने में यूज़ होती है. फर्स्ट, हर्बल टिंचर्स जो कि आपके नेचुरल मेडिसिन और वेलनेस प्रोडक्ट्स में यूज़ होते हैं. इन्फ्यूज्ड ऑयल्स जो कि हर्ब्स, स्पाइसेस और फ्लावर्स का यूज़ करके प्रिपेयर होते हैं फॉर देयर एरोमेटिक एंड थेरेपेटिक प्रॉपर्टीज़ इन कॉस्मेटिक्स, स्किन केयर, अरोमा थेरेपी एक्सेट्रा. फ्लेवर्ड विनेगर्स जो कि इन्फ्यूजन होते हैं हर्ब्स, फ्रूट्स एंड अदर प्लांट मटेरियल्स इन विनेगर्स creating flavorful condiments. Then hydrosols and floral waters prepared from extract of flowers and providing delicate aromas and different properties that can be used in skincare and aromatherapy. Sustainability and maceration. Maceration utilizes renewable plant materials जिसकी वजह से ये इको फ्रेंडली एक्सट्रैक्शन मेथड है. ऑल्सो इट मिनिमाइजेज वेस्ट एंड बाय प्रोडक्ट्स क्योंकि आफ्टर एक्सट्रैक्शन प्रोसेसेस प्लांट मटेरियल्स कैन बी रीयूज्ड और कंपोस्टेड. It doesn't require any input or energy, thus it's efficient process and for contributing to sustainability. Natural approach भी है, so those who are seeking sustainable practices, they are more aligned to maceration for developing natural and eco-friendly products. Embrace the magic of maceration. So, we learned that it is a versatile and accessible method. By following the steps and tips, you can unlock the natural benefits of plants and create your own herbal remedies and natural products. So, try maceration today and experience the power of natural plant extraction. So that's all about maceration. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to share your maceration experience, feel free to leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more educational content on plant extraction and other topics. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Also subscribe the channel for more such educational content. Thanks for watching.